Hello, my name is John Tashiro, General Manager here at City Market Onion River Co-op, and I hope all of you are well. As you can imagine, October was a very busy month for us, and we're certainly looking forward to another busy month as we approach the Thanksgiving holidays. In this video, you'll be hearing from Michael Klaus, our executive chef, around tips around the Thanksgiving meal, Jamie from our meat and seafood department to really pick the perfect turkey, and also one of our local vendors, Heike Meyer from Brot Bakery. In October, we celebrated Co-op Month and welcomed 270 new members. How exciting is that? We also hosted our annual member meeting in virtual form for the first time ever. Also wanted to share a big shout out to our board members, and a particular one to our board president, Faye Mack. We also hosted our annual board elections and are very excited to share that we have Joanna Grossman and Jim Rudolph re-elected to the board, as well as welcoming our newest board member, Megan Diffendorfer, who will be joining the board as of January 2021. As we head into November, we've developed a holiday shopping guide outlining our safety protocols, pre-order options, and ways to save. And with that, I'll hand it over to Jamie from our meat and seafood team.
Hey everybody, Jamie McGowan, meat and seafood. I'm at the South End store for City Market, but we're talking about downtown too. It's turkey time. We've got the local farms for you that are some of the best around anywhere. Maplewood, that's Beth, she's in Richmond. Dave and Judy, they're over in Westford with Adams Farms. We've got Misty Noel, Rob has been doing it forever, and more than anything else, we've got the great folks at Stonewood. They are Peter and Paula, they're in Orwell. When it comes to your turkey, you need to think about two things. First of all, the size. You go from 11 pounds up and work your way all the way through right up into the 20s. Or you think about pricing, we start at $3.29 a pound and you can work your way up from there too. When it comes down to how you can order, it's pretty simple. You can call us at the stores. We'd be glad to take it over the phone. You can do it on our iPad that's in front of each department that we have, and you can also order online on our website. Make it as easy as possible. We'll do turkey parts. We'll do early turkeys, anything else that you might think of. We've got just about anything you want for your turkey needs. Come down to the stores and have a great Thanksgiving feast.
Welcome. So we are here at Brot Bakehouse School and Kitchen in Fairfax, and we've been baking Stollen the whole morning. It's snow outside, and it's snow on the Stollen bites that we have already been tasting. But if you want to learn how to make this Stollen, we just pulled that out of the oven. Stay tuned. The video for Stollen making is coming up on the website pretty soon. In the meantime, I'm just going to eat more Stollen and wait for that.
Hi, I'm Michael Klaus, Executive Chef of City Market. Thanks for tuning in to our Thanksgiving cooking series. We're going to be featuring a weekly video just with some Thanksgiving tips on how to make your Thanksgiving a little bit easier. We're really going to follow our Thanksgiving meal guide. This is something that you can find in our meat and seafood department at both locations, and it really gives you a nice walkthrough of everything you need to know and what you need to get ready for Thanksgiving.
In closing, we just wanted to wish all of you a very happy Thanksgiving, as we remain grateful for all the hard work of our staff and for all the amazing support from you, our co-op members. Thank you.